Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to make your Gmail more private. If you use Gmail every day, there are a few settings I think you should check right away. Some of them reduce email tracking, some limit personalization, and some help cut down on how much your Google account is connected to your inbox. The good news is you do not need to switch email providers to improve your privacy. You just need to change the right settings step by step. So in this video, I'll show you exactly what to turn off, what to change, and what each setting actually does. Step 1, turn off external images. This is the first setting that I would change, and it matters because some emails contain hidden images, sometimes called tracking pixels. And these can tell the sender that you opened the email. So once you're in your Gmail account, we want to go up to the little cog wheel in the top right hand corner, Settings. And then you want to select See All Settings. And then from here, we want to make sure the General tab is selected. And you want to scroll down to Images. And we want to change it from Always Display External Images to Ask before displaying external images. Then you want to scroll down to the bottom. And you want to select Save Changes. And this will also disable dynamic email. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes, continue. And after that, your inbox should reload. And this is one of the simplest privacy improvements you can make in Gmail. It gives you more control over what remote content loads inside an email. Step 2, we're going to turn off Smart Compose personalization. This setting lets Gmail use your writing style to make more personalized suggestions as you type. If you want less personalization inside Gmail, then we will turn it off and go up to the cogwheel in the top right hand corner, see all settings, and make sure you're in the General tab again. And then we want to scroll down until we see Smart Compose Personalization. We're going to switch this to off. And now Gmail can still work normally. You can still write emails. You can still use Gmail like usual. This just reduces how much Gmail uses your personal writing behavior to customize suggestions. Step 3, turn off smart features in Gmail. This is one of the bigger privacy changes, and to do this, we're going to go up to the cogwheel in the top right. Then see all settings, make sure the General tab is selected, and then if we scroll down, we will see smart features. We want to disable this, and then you want to select turn off and reload. And once it reloads, we want to go back up to the cogwheel in the top right hand corner, see all settings, and scroll down, and we should see Google Workspace Smart Features. You want to go to Manage Workspace Smart Feature Settings. And in here, you want to make sure that Smart Features in Google Workspace is disabled and Smart Features in other Google products is disabled, and select Save. Now, this may reduce some convenience features. For example, you might lose some suggestions or automatic helpful actions. But if you want Gmail to feel less connected to the rest of your Google account, this is a very important step. Step number 4, turn off chat and meet inside Gmail if you do not use them. So next we want to go up to the cogwheel in the top right again, see all settings, and then you want to go to chat and meet in the menu here. And if you do not use Google Chat inside Gmail, turn it off. Also, hide the Meet section in the main menu. And then you want to select Save Changes. Now, this is not the biggest privacy setting in the video, but it does reduce extra features inside your inbox. And in general, my rule is very simple. If you do not use a feature, turn it off. A simpler inbox is usually better for privacy and better for focus. Step 5, we want to open your Google account privacy settings. So we need to leave Gmail for a moment because Gmail privacy is also connected to your wider Google account. So to do this, you want to click on your profile picture in the top right hand corner. Then you want to select Manage your Google account. And then you want to go over to the left hand side and you want to scroll down to Data and Privacy. And this is where Google stores a lot of the settings that affect how much of your activity is saved, used, or connected across services. So even though this is not inside Gmail itself, it still matters a lot. Step 6, turn off web and app activity or limit it. Once you're in data and privacy, you want to look for web and app activity, and it's here. So we select this, and this setting controls whether Google saves activity from its services to personalize your experience. So if you want better privacy, this is one of the most important settings to review. And you have two good options here. Option 1 is to turn it off completely, and option 2 is to leave it on but set auto delete to the shortest time you're comfortable with. Now, if your goal is maximum privacy, I would turn it off. So we are going to select turn off and turn off. And then you want to select got it. And now it has been turned off. If you still want some convenience, then at least reduce how long the data is kept. Okay, so we're getting there now, and I would just like to take a moment to thank you for watching. And if you find these walkthroughs helpful, please consider subscribing. I post simple privacy guides like this showing the settings and tools that can reduce online tracking. Step 7, we want to turn off ad personalization. Now, still in data and privacy in your Google account, you want to scroll down until you see personalized ads. And then here you want to select My Ad Center. And you will see personalized ads is on. So we want to turn this off. And personalized ads are now off. Okay, and select got it. Now, this does not mean ads completely disappear, but it does reduce how much account data is used to tailor these ads around you. So if you want a more private Google account overall, this is another setting that I would change. Step 8, we want to remove third-party app access. Now to do this, you want to be in your Google account and scroll down to third-party apps and services. Now, here you may find apps or websites you connected a long time ago and completely forgot about. So if you don't use something anymore, then remove access to it, and you just select it and then show see details, and then you can remove all access. This is one of the easiest ways to reduce unnecessary exposure around your Gmail account, and honestly, most people probably have at least a few old apps here they no longer need. Step 9, we're going to turn off forwarding if you do not use it. So go back to your Gmail account, and then you want to go up to the cogwheel in the top right hand corner, select see all settings, and then from here you want to go to forwarding and pop/IMAP. And here, if forwarding is enabled and you do not actually use it, you want to turn it off. And then you can also check that pop is disabled as well. If you only use Gmail through the Gmail website and the official Gmail app, you should at least review whether you still need these access methods enabled. The main goal here is to reduce unnecessary ways your email can be accessed. Step 10, review filters and blocked addresses. So to do this, we want to go up to the cogwheel in the top right and see all settings. And then from the menu here, you want to select filters and blocked addresses. Now, this is one of those sections people often forget about. Sometimes old filters are still running in the background without you even noticing. You know, a filter might archive messages, label them, delete them, or move them in ways you no longer want. So take a minute and review everything in here. If something looks old, confusing, or unnecessary, delete it. This helps keep your inbox more predictable and more under your control. And step 11, use better inbox habits. Finally, you know, the settings help a lot, but your habits still matter too. Do not click links in email blindly. Be careful with attachments from unknown senders. And now that you have changed the image setting, be cautious about loading images and emails you do not trust. For important accounts like banking, shopping, or government services, it is usually better to open the website directly instead of clicking through a link from the email. That helps with privacy, and it also helps with security too. So a quick recap, you want to turn on Ask Before Displaying External Images. You want to turn off Smart Compose Personalization, turn off Smart Features in Gmail Chat and Meet, turn off Smart Features in other Google products, Turn off chat and meet inside Gmail if you do not use them. Turn off or limit web and app activity. Turn off ad personalization. Remove old third-party app access. Turn off forwarding if you do not need it. Review old filters and blocked addresses. And finally, be more careful with email links, attachments, and remote images. You do not need to make Gmail perfect, but even a few of these changes can make it feel much more private and much more under your control. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.